Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am very blessed to be speaking to you. Today, I am here to talk about the importance of positive thinking. I'd like to draw your attention for a few minutes to share my advocacy. Positive thinking is an attitude that some people have and allows them to find more easy solution. Positive aspects of situation they face. Because positive thinking requires uncertain cognitive structure, emotional and behavioral in front of people. A certain way to see yourself and others to understand, feel and act in relationship with others. The situation you're facing, constructive and efficient, staying positive to improve mental health by reducing stress, anxiety, and depression. Positive attitude can help us build a stronger connection with friends, family, and colleges, and more positive and supportive environment. A positive mindset can help us appreciate the good things in life and find joy in everyday experiences. One of the keys to positive thinking is gratitude. When we focus on the things we're grateful for in our lives, we can see that there is always something to be thankful for, even challenging times. It is important ignoring the negatives in our lives, but rather finding healthy ways to cope with them. Positive thinking is an important skill that we can all practice and benefits from by focusing on the positive. We can improve our mental, physical health, your fashion, emotion, attitude, and habits all are yours. Let's control our positive thinking so that think positive for our bright future.